In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PayPal Sandbox accounts. If you're building or testing a checkout flow, the PayPal Sandbox lets you run transactions without touching real money. We'll walk through getting into the developer environment, seeing the accounts PayPal gives you by default, creating additional test accounts, and using them safely for simulations. Start by heading to developer.paypal.com. Sign in with your existing PayPal account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. During signup, you may be asked to verify your email. Go ahead and complete that so your developer access is fully enabled. Once you're in the developer dashboard, make sure Sandbox mode is active. If it isn't, toggle it on so every action you take stays strictly in the test environment. On your first login, PayPal automatically creates two Sandbox accounts for you, one personal account to act as a buyer and one business account to act as a merchant. To view them, open the dashboard, then go to Sandbox and choose Accounts. You'll see both defaults listed there. They're great for quick tests because they're ready to use immediately. If you need more, click Create Account. Choose whether you want a personal account for a buyer or a business account for a merchant. Select the country that matches your testing scenario, and then either create a default account with standard settings or choose Create Custom Account to specify details like the login email and password. Custom accounts are helpful when you want to differentiate buyers and merchants for specific test cases. To manage an account, click its Manage icon. Here you can view the login email, update the password, and for business accounts, find API credentials under Profile and API credentials. Keep these credentials secure and use them only in your testing tools. When you're ready to simulate purchases or refunds, go to sandbox.paypal.com and sign in with the Sandbox account you want to act as the buyer or the seller. This is where you'll see mock activity, balances, and transaction history update as you test. A few practical tips as you build. Always use Sandbox endpoints in your API calls so nothing touches production. If you need variations of an account, use the duplicate option in the Manage menu to spin up a copy quickly. You can delete extra accounts you no longer need, though note that the two default accounts cannot be removed. For end-to-end testing, run a full buyer-to-merchant flow by paying from a personal account to a business account and confirming that invoices, notifications, and balances behave as expected. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.